resigning something. Okay, yes, I will just write them down. Okay, this will be your end. For group 2, okay, kindly come. Who will lead as your leader? Charlie will be the one to Charlie. Please get your materials here. So it depends on what shape you would like to do. So you will create a cluster based on any memorable experience you had while you were studying in this school. So what are the memorable experiences? It could be the prom or the matinee, it could be the Christmas party, it could be the reading month. So whatever it is, you can actually get them all together. Okay, yes. So group 3, what are the best experiences in memorable experiences? Okay, group 3, you will create a thesis statement with supporting details about the good qualities of the school. What are the good qualities of the school? Okay, it's like you are promoting the school. You are advertising. Okay, what are the good qualities of the school that you have seen or you have experienced? Why in the event of studying in Santa Cruz to be internationalized? Okay, yes. You will explain it. Okay, is it a yes, yes, yes? Okay, so let's proceed. When you are done already, create your own yes. What are your
Go.
So you have decided. What you are doing today is that is all Commercial break for the rubrics. So as you are now doing your write-up, okay, about today's exam. So content of what you are doing today is worth 10 points. Appropriateness or the correctness is 10 points. Organization, so make your writings legible enough or clear enough to be read, 10 points. Participation, all of you participate, and all of you, did each one contribute? Okay, then the